Hello everyone, we are from Group 67, Code Subject SEAA 2012, Civil Engineering Laboratory 1, Semester 3 2021. This video is about Open-Ended Lab G4 Part 1 Core Logging. Here is our group members. G4-1 Core Logging Test. Introduction. As engineering properties need to be given, due attention describing the rock are the strength, weather effects, and the discontinuities. It's important when rock material is required for construction purpose. Objective: to obtain physical description and RQD of rock cores recovered from borehole drilling.
So the first apparatus for the experiment is a measuring tape. We will use the measuring tape to measure the specimen in the core barrel that we have obtained. Then we have the core barrel, which is the apparatus used to extract the specimen from the ground. So this is the sample that have been extracted from the ground. There is first, second and third layer.
Using the core barrel, undisturbed hand-cut samples we obtain from the exposed profiles above the water table. Then, we place in the box and arrange the samples accordingly. The box length is 1500 mm. To obtain the data, we measured the sample from each to each from their breakpoint. And do not forget to measure the losses that we had from the samples taken. After the data were taken, we move to the data analysis.
Hello guys, Afis here. I will brief you about the data and calculation. This is the plan view for all three core samples named as C1, C2 and C3. For the sample C1, it has length of core recovered is 1490 mm. So, next for the core sample of C2, its half length of core recovered is 1320 mm. For sample C3, its half length core recovered is 600 mm. The length of core in pieces for three core samples are shown. Data get from the experiment. These are the data obtained from the test. As we can see, different samples have different data. So let's see the formula. There are two calculation formula in this test, which are core recovery CR and rock quality design RQD. Let's see the calculation. By applying the formula discussed previously, the CR and RQD of every sample are calculated as shown. Lastly, the result. To summarize, for C1, the CR and the RQD is equal at 99.33%. So, for the C2, it has the CR of 88% and RQD of 84.67%. Finally, for C3, the CR is 40% and RQD is 36.67%.
The conclusion of core logging test. Accurate rock core logging can give preliminary or even detailed information of the requirement for the use in design process in rock engineering as it should be recognized that good drilling requires good supervision. This is best provided by frequent or possibly full-time attendance by the geologist at the drill rig.